Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is a passion. I picked up some more Ulta stuff. It's through Ulta that I bought it, but it's mostly Morphe and Juvia'S. And I also picked this up from Beautylish. I thought I bought more, but I guess that's all I got. And I got some eyeliner in blue. I'm looking forward to using this. So let's start off with this here. And this is the Juicy Couture perfume. I don't know the name of it. Yeah, I can't see the name of it. But what I did was, this was a blind buy. And basically I only bought it because it came with a gift. And I was like, okay, I'm down for that. But it does smell good. It smells really, really good. Delicious good. Alright, so we move on to Juvia'S. And this is her the Rebel Army. See if I can open this. This is how it looks. Let's swatch it. I'm not gonna swatch everything here. I'll probably swatch the Jeffree Star one. That'll probably be it after this one. Or the Cabbage Patch. This is how it looks. Now, her makeup is always on point. And she is a small business black woman as well. So I look forward to supporting my black community. Lord knows we do it. We do need them. Alright. So this is the second one. And this was in the, what about two of the same? Let's see. I ain't know somebody gonna get, wait, did I buy two of the same? And how the hell did I do that? Okay, whichever one I swatched, I'm not going to, yeah, I bought two of the same. I bought two of the same. So I guess I want to be very lucky in getting this. I can't believe I did that. Yeah, I bought two of the same. Alright, so let's move on to this one. The Juvia'S, the Blush Rose. And this one comes with 6 shadows. Looking mighty good. Alright, I'm gonna swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it because this one got me going. I'm liking the way it's looking. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Alright, so then I also picked up the Juvia'S one Bronze Rustic. And this is what this color looks like. So pretty. I like it. Alright, so this one comes from, I think it's ColourPop. I'm trying to make sure. I don't have the box set. Yes, it's ColourPop. I see it. And this is how this one looks. Alright, I'm gonna try this one here. See that color? Color payoff to the max. Isn't that pretty? And I dug my nails into it without realizing it. Those are now I got it all over the place. Look at the mess I just made. I hate my makeup being all over the place like that. Alright, so let's go to the Sour Patch Kid. Makes me want some Sour Patch candy. And I'm not off into gummies like that anymore. So this is what this one looks like. I'm gonna have to try one. I want to try the pink one. Oh, it's got plastic over it.